So this Mercedes E350, it's a 2009, and you can obviously see what's wrong with it, but a lot of people don't know what happened to it. His wood grain is in good condition. That's factory wood grain. But what happened to the leather? That is what hand sanitizer does to leathers and vinyls. Hand sanitizer is 90% alcohol, and alcohol, acetone, gasoline, any really harsh chemical solutions are bad for leather, whether it be your seats, your dash, or your steering wheel. So this person put hand sanitizer on and grabbed their steering wheel right here on this right side all the time. And that hand sanitizer just broke down the top coat of the leather and just peeled it off. So don't use hand sanitizer and touch your steering wheel. Wipe your steering wheel off with a rag or a your hand off before you touch your steering wheel with a rag or a napkin, something. Protect your investment. So we are going to reupholster this back to factory new. It's going to look amazing after we put it through our transformation, and we will send him a note that don't use hand sanitizer. We put that in every box that we ship out, actually. So let's transform it. All right, we've got this 2009 Mercedes E350 ready to go out. This had that damaged leather due to the hand sanitizer issue, which we have replaced the leather with a kind of a heavy grain leather, because that's what the hub had on it, kind of a heavy grain leather. So now it is going to really look great as that leather relaxes, kind of like a pair of shoes. Leather relaxes over a period of time and with heat in the car. So this is going to really top off his interior. Once again, reach out to us at craftcustoms.com. We look forward to working with you.